today, so I'm back over here by myself. Today is Tuesday, the day after Labor Day, and so hopefully we're going to get the somebody will show up to work this week, and we'll be able to get this driveway poured. There's a guy that owns the property wants the driveway done. But today, since I've already did all the glazing on the windows and everything, I'm going to go ahead on and take that gallon of paint and a paintbrush and go around and just start painting windows. It's going to be hot as shit at this bitch today. Like 100 degrees and shit. So, I could be out here in the hot ass heat and shit. So I guess I'll be trying to chase the shade. So, this right here, I'll probably do these first. And do the ones on the front first. And then I'll come around here and then hit the ones on the other side and shit. Because the sun comes over, it comes over like this way. So, basically all the windows are ready. The only ones I won't paint around are the ones that need glass put on. So, that's where I'm at today, day 50. I'm just going to go ahead on and start painting windows, and then hopefully the guy will show up tomorrow and we'll be able to go and get some wood and some material and stuff like that and get out here and get some of this wood rot replaced. All right, now we're at the end of day 50 of our house renovation. And I started right there, and I painted all these fucking windows and all the frames and sashes and windowsills and all the bullshit. So if you're wondering why that there's like paint on the glass, that's the best way to do it when you got window glazing and stuff. So that way the paint has to make contact with the glass and completely seal in that window glazing between the frame of the sash over the glazing and against the glass. It's no problem to just come back later and fucking with a razor blade and scrape all that paint and shit off of there. And that way it'll give you a whole lot better job. Painted this big fucker right here. All the trim up above it. All these windows right here. On the corners and shit like that. I still gotta do the wood rot. But I don't have no fucking material right now, so I gotta pick that up tomorrow probably. So that's about what I did today. Last week I glazed and sanded all them bitches, and this week I painted the motherfuckers. So tomorrow I'll come in here tomorrow and probably put a quick second coat on all that. And so I didn't get these windows done. I'll do those in the morning. I'll try to chase the shade. So I had a couple of places in the windowsills and that window and this one over here that I got to sand down and fix. And I'll paint them in the morning because they'll be in the shade. But I did get these done back here. And that little one, those where all that fucking wood rot and shit is all around down there, and that one on the corner over there. So using a Clarkson Kingston paint. Ceramic bead technology, titanium and aluminum for mildew retention. Keep it off of the house. Self-priming paint. And I always get the white exterior paint and I have them shoot some extra white tint in it to make it extra brilliant. So, not a whole lot to talk about today. That's all I did. That's what was done on day 50. So, if you like that video, subscribe to Get Go TV. Hit the like button. And if you're just starting to watch, there's 49 other videos before that one. That, of this house right here where we've came in here from the very beginning when it was full of trash and all fucked up. So watch one of those other videos or watch all the videos. And also got 350 more other videos on how to do shit, reviews, restorations, you name it. Got any questions, leave a question in the comment section. Hit the like button subscribe to the channel, or you can leave a message at peninsulaimp@gmail.com, which is in the channel description. So y'all have a good day and stay tuned tomorrow for day 51. But right now I'm locking all this shit up and heading for the air conditioning. And hopefully something more exciting will happen tomorrow, because it really want much to fucking talk about today. Paint windows. That's it. So yeah, it really wasn't even worth making a video of, to be honest with you, but just to keep with the fucking day-by-day progress of the project, I just decided to go ahead on and make a video number 50 of the window painting. So have a good day. Subscribe to the channel, and see you tomorrow, day 51, where I'll be doing the same shit all over again.